Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, awat na. Tapos na.
Baka mabuhay.
Anniversary kasi eh. Pag-invest daw ng CCP eh.
Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kapatid sa pagsama sa amin sa hirap at ginhawa.
Thank you for encouraging us to go on and move on in spite of...
Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for believing in us. Mahal na mahal kita.
Salamat. Thank you.
Para sa amin ang mahal ko at sa mga darating pang taon.
Cheers!
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 Uy, yan lang? Uy, wait lang! Teka lang.
Kinikilig ako
Wait, so since 3 years na kayo, di ba dapat level up na kayo?
Para namang pang-investigador yung tanong.
Oo, diba?
Okay, sige. 3 years. Anyway, last year, tama? Last year, we got to adopt a baby. Oh.
Sobra namang level up yan.
Adopt a baby? That's a great responsibility.
Alam mo, mabuti yun for them.
Guys, relax, okay? I just said it to Jess last year. Pero, well, it's worth thinking about, di ba? Parang, yun.
Basta, it's a big responsibility. So talagang kailangan ready talaga kayo. Ganon.
Wait, Irene. Kailan ba kami magiging nina?
Good question.
Diba?
Babe, pakisagot nga sila.
Having a baby is... It's a big responsibility. I'm not ready for it.
Ako naman ang mag-aalaga eh.
Pwede ba yun?
We talked about it a few months ago, right? So, ako pa rin yung magdadala ng baby for 9 months. And what if lumabas na lang, nandyan na siya, tapos di ko kaya paano i-handle yun? Oh.
Sabi ng nanay ko, kapag daw nanganak ang isang babae, automatic, mag-kick in yung mother instinct.
Babe, but I'm not ready yet, okay?
Now I know.
Uy, huwag naman.
Hayaan mo na ako.
Peach! Peach!